Alright, so these are great. If you're working in an old building, this is a regular 3/8 fitting, and if you look, they do not fit. Because this whole building is 1/2 inch. So you can stock 1/2 inch, or you can get this type of toilet connector. You actually stock these for other reasons because it has a 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. I've only ever come across 7/16 once, but these are adapters that go in here so that you just thread the adapter on. Thread the adapter on, make a liar out of me. Right? And then this threads onto that. Did make a liar out of me, I did it backwards. This threads on like this. And this threads on like this. And this is just standard 1/2 inch female iron pipe threads. And that goes onto there.
Not bad, Andy.
No, I got you. You're good.
No, you ain't gotta move.
And then we got this. Goes here. Oh, I see what's leaking. The valve wasn't what was leaking.
The valve was fucked up?
No, it's not the valve.
Something's fucked up?
Something's fucked up. This whole bowl is super loose.
It's a whole new toilet, remember?
Yeah. There's something else going on though. This should click when it's tight.
I just locked it. That's why.
These bolts are loose. See that? That's where it was leaking from. Super loose. Like spun all the way off loose. Let's see here.
Oh, shit. It's crazy. I wait till 41 to pay attention. My father tried to teach me all this shit when I was 10. I ain't want to,
Yeah, you don't think about that shit until you need to know it. But I think we're good now. That's all it was. The tank was loose. And that's what caused this whole fucking shitstorm. But yeah, should be good to go. I'm gonna watch it and I'm gonna tighten those bolts up a little bit. These things are great.